The new Kijang Innova and Venturer are made to strengthen its DNA as a 7-seater MPV that produce peace of mind. By adding new luxury grades, healthy feature, and refreshment on the design to accompany you and your family with unrivaled comfort. The new Kijang Innova luxury grades are made to bring prestige yet confident image on the road. As the new Venturer crafted to produce tough looks but still create a luxurious feeling of premium MPV. In the new front appearance, the trapezoid shape of the new front grille represents the combination of toughness and prestigious image. As the classy black piano painted in the new Venturer, while dark gray paint and lace with chrome list ornament decorates the new Kijang Innova elegant front grille. With precision and attention to details, the new front bumper design in the new Kijang Innova is brilliantly furnished with delicate chrome ornament, while a well-formed black solid list coats the new Venturer front bumper. Furthermore, the new side turn signal lamp in the new Venturer comes with black piano ornament, but the new LED fog lamp also provides more optimal visibility that will assist your vision until your destination. At the rear, the Kijang Innova luxury emblem embedded on the refined rear exterior design. The new 16-inch alloy wheel is designed with two-tone colored rim, silver chrome and bold black accent. While on the new Venturer, bigger and more dynamic 17-inch alloy wheel with silver chrome color with black details on the rim produce an enchanting look. On the new Venturer rear exterior, the new aerodynamics rear spoiler also produce a cool image that complete a premium and tough appearance. Inside the new Kijang Innova luxury grades, most comfortable captain seat are available even for the second row. Also, the genuine wooden ornament that decorates the instrument panel ensures an equal comfort for you and your family. On the interior of the new Venturer, the new evaporated black leatherette seat with red stitch will provide you with better air circulation and prevent heat on your seat. And with pleasant feeling by the wooden element panels that embellished all over the interior, total convenience is assured. The latest technologies are implanted in both the new Kijang Innova and new Venturer. The new integrated 9-inch head unit with smartphone connection and near-field connection, perfecting a comfortable and premium driving experience. Inside the head unit, the advanced rear parking camera is ready to make parking or setting off always at ease. As a premium MPV that provides total comfort, the new Kijang Innova luxury grades and new Venturer introduce you with the new integrated air purifier healthy feature that will improve the quality of air circulation in the cabin. The new Kijang Innova and Venturer are a representation of Toyota's strong commitment for all family in Indonesia to continue the legacy of a premium comfort for today's and journeys beyond.